Hey y'all, this is Maxwell Bentley from Bentley Media. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day out there, as cold and icky as it is. I actually just ate my weight in Waffle House, so I am doing fantastic. But I thought I'd make a little video today to show you the 3 things you need to ask your next drone pilot to make sure they are legal and licensed to fly commercially. The first thing you need to ask for is their drone license. This is what it looks like, and I'm purposely covering up some sensitive information, but this is a license issued by the FAA, and it has an SUAS rating. That's Small Unmanned Aircraft System. They shouldn't have a problem sending you a copy. The second thing you should ask for is insurance, of course. This is an ACORD certificate specifically for drones, and if their insurance policy only covers a certain area at a certain time, they should be able to show you that certificate as well. The third thing you should ask for is only if you are wanting to conduct a flight in an area that is in restricted airspace. This is a sectional chart. This particular chart covers the entire region of Atlanta. So, for example, if you wanted to conduct a flight by Dobbins Air Reserve Base, they should know exactly how to go about getting an FAA authorization, and they should also convey to you that getting such an authorization can take sometimes 90 days or more. This is what, hang on, all right. This is what a copy of an FAA authorization looks like. This one is actually specifically for Dobbins. This authorization not only gives the pilot authorization to fly, but also any special provisions or instructions from the FAA. Beyond those 3 things, of course, they should be able to tell you what kind of equipment they're flying on, what the quality is like, how long they're able to stay in the air on batteries alone, all that good stuff. But as long as they have those 3 documents, that you can be rest assured that you're hiring a professional drone pilot who knows what they're doing. This is Maxwell Bentley from Bentley Media once again. Hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and if I can help you with any drone, can't speak English, any drone services, you are certainly welcome to give me a call or shoot me a DM. Thanks y'all.